In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Temu from your search results in 2025. This method is pretty straightforward and doesn't require any advanced technical knowledge, so let's dive right into it. First, let's open up your Google Chrome browser. Once that's up and running, we'll head over to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is essentially an online store that offers various applications and extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. Simply type Chrome Web Store into your browser's search bar and it should be the top link that pops up. Click on it to open it up. Now that you're in the store, use the search functionality to find the block site extension. Block site is a nifty little tool that helps you block distracting websites or any sites you simply want to avoid coming across. So in the search box on the top left corner of the page, type in block site extension and press enter. You should see it appear in the list of results. So look for the one that has a good amount of positive reviews just to ensure you're getting the best available option. Once you've spotted block site, it'll have an add to Chrome button prominently displayed next to it. Go ahead and click on that button. Chrome will then prompt you with a dialog box asking for your permission to add the extension. This is to make sure you know what you're installing and understand the permissions required. Feel free to review these permissions, and if you're comfortable, click Add Extension to proceed. The download and installation should be pretty quick, assuming you have a stable internet connection. With the extension successfully added, let's turn our focus to the Temu app. Open up a new tab in your browser and search for Temu, the website you want to block from your search results. Once you have it open on your screen, it's time for block site to step in. Look to the top right corner of your browser for the block site icon, which should be located alongside your other Chrome extensions. Click on it to open the pop-up menu. Within this menu, you should see an option that allows you to block this site. By clicking on this, you're instructing block site to prevent you from accessing Temu, effectively removing it from your browsing experience. And just like that, you've successfully removed Temu from your search results using the block site extension. It really is that simple when you have the right tools at your disposal. This extension provides a robust way to tailor your internet activity to better suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance.